how to see sent friend request in Snapchat. Now this is very simple, but there is no direct way to see all the requests. So I'll teach you guys a simple trick that you can see if you have sent someone a friend request. So before that, if you're new to our channel, go down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on upcoming videos. Now let's just start. First, open up your Snapchat. Now after you've gone to your Snapchat, just go hit the search bar. And here what you need to do is just search for the person that you added. Now this is the guy that I've added, and just open it. Now you can see here it says that dash dash has not added you as a friend yet, so they won't be able to see your messages until they do. So this means that I have sent a friend request, but they have not accepted it. So that means that they are unable to so now we are unable to send them more messages, or they won't be able to see your messages until they do. So first they need to accept my request. So that means that they have not accepted my request. So that is all for the video, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more.